Let's see how you can install a pop socket on your phone or your case. So as you can see, I have two new pop sockets right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut this area. Here you have the instructions. So we're gonna cut it this side, and I'll just go around just to make it easier. Just be careful, try not to cut the actual pop socket. And then this is how you open it. Just gonna put this aside. And then you're gonna have the pop socket right here. Once you cut the package, you can just like open it, and it's gonna be kind of easy. Last time I opened it, it was easy. So I'm just gonna make another cut right here. And please be careful, try not to damage it, because you don't want to spend another $10 in another pop socket like I did. So let's try again. All right, it's coming up finally. So what we're gonna do is take this plastic out right here on top. It has like a little plastic, so you take that out, and then you're gonna have just glue. So let's pretend that I don't have the plastic, because this pop socket, I'm gonna place it in the phone that is recording this video. So let's pretend that I don't have the plastic, like this one right here. This one doesn't have plastic. So if you don't have the plastic, it's just gonna be so simple to install the pop socket. You just have to put it where you want it and press. Like let's say that I spend most of the time on Facebook or Instagram. You know, the feeds go up like this. So most of the time you're holding your phone with your hand, and you're always looking at it like this. But in my case, what I do is like I put it down here. I don't know, I feel like it has a better grip from both sides. And also I watch a lot of videos, so this is how I can place my phone so I can watch more videos. So yeah, that's simple. Like, you just have to take the plastic right here, this plastic, take it out, find the right spot, and boom, place it. And if you want to reuse it, the pop socket, don't reuse it more than twice or 3 times the most, because the glue loses power. But if you did it and you don't feel like comfortable where you placed your pop socket, what you can do is get a lighter and make this area hot, and then place it again. But be careful, don't damage your case or your phone. And that's the way that you can reuse the pop socket. Don't do it a lot, because it loses. The stickiness is not the same. When I first removed this pop socket, I couldn't do it like this. I had to put something underneath and then pull it out. But yeah, this is how you install a pop socket. You just have to open the package, take out the plastic, and find the right spot, and make sure that your phone is clean, make sure that it doesn't have a lot of dust or grease, and then you can just place it wherever you want. This is my favorite spot for my pop socket. I'm just gonna keep this pop socket here forever. So I've been using it for a little while, so I found the right spot. This is actually brand new pop socket, and I cut it a little bit from this side, but it's fine. So this is how you can install your pop socket. If you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.